Okay guys, so once again I am back for the troubleshooting of touchpad. Yesterday we had some step I have saved. So this step might not work for some people. Yesterday I've got some comment. So I would like to inform you some more steps about it. Like I am using my Dell laptop. So what we can do is we can visit the website and we can search for the touchpad driver as well. So rapidly what I do is for you, I'm just going to tell you how you will be able to download the driver and you will be able to install it in your system. So first I would like to show you in case of my system what I can do to download the driver, as my internet is not connected. So give me a minute, I just need to connect the internet to my system. Just allow me a minute. Okay. Currently I'm not connected to the internet, so I'm just going to connect it. Here I have it's connected. So I'm going to open the website for me. That is Dell. I'm going to visit the Dell website for me. Okay guys, so finally, as you can see, I am on the website. It is the Dell.com. Now, what I need to do is I need to download the driver. So I'll click on the support. It will be depend navigation up to the manufacturers. What navigation they are providing to you. You have to check with the navigation at your own. However, if you are feeling any difficulty, you can write me in the comment. I will definitely sharing you the navigation within 24 hours once you comment on my video section. So here I'll click on product support. In case of Dell, the viewer who is having the Dell laptop only, so this issue will be easily fixed. Okay. Here you can see which product we can help you. So I have already put this number here, or you can enter here your Dell service tag number or the model number you can find in the back of your laptop. So once I click on this, I can see this overview, diagnostic, driver and downloads, documentation, service event, parts and accessories. These all the options are there. So what I need to do is I need to download the driver. So I just click on the drivers and download. Once I click on the drivers and download, it will be asking me what is the window I am using and all. So basically we are working for touchpad. So here I need to locate the touchpad driver. I click on this. So you can see this symmetric fingerprint sensor, correct, and this Dell touchpad driver. We need to download this. In my case, I have already downloaded it, so I'll just show you. Just allow me a minute. Here you can see this. I have already downloaded it. So please go ahead. Once I click on the show on folder, it will be open. I'm sorry guys, my system is slow, so we will be definitely working on system clone as well, no worry. So here, now I click on this. I click on this and I can go with this run as administrator option, and the second option is sorry guys. Again we need to open this device management.msc. I'm again going to open it. So yesterday I have told you the command, that is device dev mgmt.msc. The command is open to you. It will be open at device management console. So here it is. is open to you, I suppose now. So what we simply need to do is we just need to locate this mouse and other pointing device. Once we locate the mouse and other pointing device, we need, last time what we did is we uninstall all these HID compliant mouse, HID compliant mouse and PS2 compatible mouse. Okay, this time as we are already having the driver, so we just need to right click on it. Either we can uninstall it or either we can click on the update driver. Once we click on the update driver, it will be asked for automatically search for the drivers. So it's what in this case happened. This will be route the computer to the internet and force to search on the map. Somehow if computer did not able to find the driver over the map, so what we had did is we already installed the driver, we have already downloaded the driver in the computer, so we just need to click on this browse my computer for the drivers. Okay, so once you click on the browse my computer the driver, it will be asked you to browse the location, so we click on browse. Once we click on the browse, it will be asking for the location. So I hope guys you are aware about how can you browse the driver. So we will try to browse the driver as we have located in the download folder. So here we go. And, now you can see you're not able to see the exe file, right? So, wait a minute, I'll show you this driver. I'll do one thing for your convenience. I'm putting this on the desktop. So what is I would like to tell you is sometime it may happen that if you are having an exe file, this browse option will not work for you. I don't know why it's not working. Let me check this one. Yeah. Okay, so it's there. Hopefully it will work. Click on update driver. Sorry. And as I have told you that we have put on the desktop only, so we will browse the desktop location from here. Desktop. Next. So what is exactly happening in this case? This will be automatically searching for the driver and that particular location and it's try to install the driver. Or as it is telling that the Windows has determined that the best driver for this device is already installed, there may be better drivers on Windows update on the device manufacturer website. So what we have did is we have just went to the manufacturer website and we have downloaded the driver. So this it will be so message like this, or it will be showing the message the driver has been installed successfully. But just need to click on the close and close this, and it will be definitely work for you guys. If this video is working for you guys, please do not forget to like, subscribe and comment on my video. Thank you for watching.